Whose muscles are bigger? Come on. Huh? Whose muscles are bigger? His or mine? How did you decide to do so much of bodybuilding, Anand? Where did this bodybuilding come? What is the inspiration for you?
I was depressed. मैं बहुत depressed हो गया था जब मेरी सर्जरी हुई और मैं व्हीलचेयर पे चला गया और मेरी मॉम बहुत रोते थे और मैं उनको शो नहीं करता था कि मैं कितना डिप्रेस हूँ बट फिर अब मैं अपने कोच से मिला जो कि लुधियाना में है और उन्होंने मेरे को रेडी किया मेंटली उन्होंने मेरे को प्रिपेयर किया और आज मैं आपके सामने फर्स्ट इंडियन व्हीलचेयर बॉडी बिल्डर हूँ और मैं जो एबल बॉडी बिल्डर्स हैं उनके साथ भी कम्पीट करता हूँ
और उनको हरा देते हैं
बहुत सौ को हरा देता हूँ
मुझे हरा दोगे should we do arm wrestling if I do नहीं यार some other day some other time I will not take my chances but ladies and gentlemen these are our 6 special guests you know before we come to questions from you let's once more give them an applause because this is a great story I want to ask some of the young people there somebody who wants to this smiling young boy when you hear these stories today how do you feel that you know, we grumble all the time about what is happening around us. Look at these stories. Are you inspired or not?
Yes, sir. So we should not always think bad that what has happened to us. We should also be motivated. Like this sir, he's a bodybuilder and he's also competing with...
Teri body ka kya hoga? When will your body be like his? What will it take for you to make your body like him?
It will take quite some time because even I am having some problem with my spine, sir.
You're also having a problem, but you also want to be a bodybuilder?
Yes, sir, I really want to.
Huh?
I want to, but my family will not allow me at this time now.
Arey baap re, yehi to musibat hai. Your stomach is growing. Yes, this side. Yes, go ahead. Come on.
Hello, sir. Anand, sir. My question to you. First of all, you look so handsome.
Thank you.
Oh, what is your second question? After calling him handsome, next what are you going to ask him?
Hopefully you have a girlfriend. That is a personal one. But I want to ask this question. That
no, you want him to have a girlfriend? You don't want him to have a girlfriend. But go on.
Okay. At the early stage, you came to know about that you were suffering from this problem. So, do you have any other plan for your life? Do you have any other goal in your life apart from the bodybuilding? And when you when you are depressed at the time that I got this problem, so how you overcome this problem?
I think what she's trying to say is that if you don't have another goal, maybe you can take her out this evening. But do you have what is? I'm free? अरे बाप रे. Okay, but what if?
Actually, मेरा गोल ये है कि मैं अपनी लाइफ के जरिए अपनी जो स्ट्रगल मैंने किया उसके जरिए लोगों को इंस्पायर करूं और इसके लिए आप मेरी बुक पढ़ सकते हो हॉलीवुड में वो रिलीज हुई है उसका नाम है वेटलेस अ ट्रू स्टोरी ऑफ करेज एंड डिटर्मिनेशन.
Okay, so you've written a book. The girl there has a question. We are an inclusive society as Mahatma Gandhi wanted us to be.
Yes, yes. ये यहाँ के जितने भी सरकार के अंडर ये जो होते हैं जैसे कि मैं बैंक में नहीं जा सकता सरकारी बैंकों में जाना और उनसे डील करना बहुत मुश्किल है और बाकी मॉल्स वगैरह में ये फैसिलिटीज हैं.
यानी तुम मॉल ज्यादा जाते हो लगता है.
हाँ, मेरा जिम भी मॉल में ही है.
Malls today in this country are more disabled friendly than banks are. State Bank of India, if you are listening, please listen to what Anand is saying. Sarkari banks are not disabled friendly. In fact, most Sarkari institutions in this country are not disabled friendly. Anyone else wants to raise a point? Yes, the girl. You are an inspiration, as I said. Your story is a great story.
Sir, I'd like to ask you a question, Anand sir. You were diagnosed with cancer at the age of 15. And that's a very big challenge to overcome that disease. So what inspired you to overcome that disease and overcome your disability and become a bodybuilder?
Actually, are you seeing all the girls are asking you question, Anand? But go ahead. Yes.
Actually, मेरे sisters जो हैं वो बहुत supportive हैं और उनकी वजह से ही आज जो भी मैंने titles जीते हैं या जो कुछ मैं कर रहा हूँ मैं उन credit अपनी family को देता हूँ.
What's the one tip that they would give to the next generation of Indians? The one thing that they should do to succeed in the future? Back in a moment on Young Heroes.